Are you looking for the best ATX PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ATX PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hyte Y60. Hyte sells itself as a more premium retailer, with not many products in its name. However, the Hyte Y60 case has been rising in popularity, with plenty of hype around it on social media and modders taking it to the next level. It stands out from the crowd with a more open design. However, many compare it to the Lian 011 Dynamic, which also features a glass front and back. But the Y60 varies itself with an edge piece of glass in the corner rather than a pillar, which gives it a more uninterrupted panoramic view of the inside. The case is offered in 3 different colors, with options for white, red, and black, changing the colors of the outside trim and the PCIe riser, which does come with the case itself to showcase your wares inside. We have the white case to review and we'll go through the details of it. The back of the Hyte Y60 does offer some differences from other cases. Next to the I/O cutout, there is the grill for a singular 120mm fan, a standard design choice for an air outtake. Below that there are the expansion slots and where this case differs. With a focused design on displaying your graphics card, it focuses on the vertical mounts. It has 3 full vertical slots, but then 7 horizontal half slots. This does mean you can only mount your GPU vertically and have height cards in the rest. Although expansion cards have become a bit more exotic, there are use cases for Wi-Fi cards and other PCIe cards. These should be fine but can get tedious, especially working around the included riser. Number 2. Fractal Design Torrent. The Fractal Design Torrent turned many heads here at WePC when it came through the door, from its geometric layered shape design to its modularity. We like this case. Fractal Design has been in the PC case business since 2009 when it released the Define case series. This was the case that propelled Fractal Design into the US market and put the company on the map. Ever since then, Fractal Design's cases just got better and better, with Fractal Design's Torrent being no exception. We have the base model of the Fractal Torrent in black. The Torrent is available in a few colors and in an RGB variant, where the front fans are equipped with RGB LEDs. Don't worry though, there's still some RGB on the base model, much to our delight. The front of the Torrent is nothing short of beautiful. The round-cornered rectangular silhouette complements the parallel line geometry on the front of the case magnificently. This whole panel is dark matte silver on the inside and the outside remains matte black. This creates a small contrast without running the elegance that black brings. The front is made from plastic, meaning it's lightweight considering how thick the panel is. Number 3. ASUS Prime AP201. Good quality SFF PC cases are hard to come by. However, ASUS entered the Prime AP201 into the market and it's actually pretty good. Many ITX lovers will find this to be a little on the large size, with a 33-liter volume. However, it looks and feels pretty compact, with 4 quasi-filter mesh panels. The AP201 has support for a 360mm radiator, or 5 fans, and comes with tool-free side panels for easy access. The case has a 120mm fan pre-installed, but you are going to want to add to this for better thermals. The case is compact, sleek, and kind of stealthy, with room for a graphics card up to 338mm in length. ASUS is more known for its other components like graphics cards, laptops, and PC parts. But it is slowly expanding its PC cases, so we now look at the ASUS Prime AP201 PC case review. Adding to its lineup of ROG and TUF cases, it has introduced a Prime selection. Revealed in June 2022, it brings the simplicity and more affordable price range offered by the Prime series as seen in ASUS motherboards. The case is a MATX case, a move away from large big cases we're used to seeing from ASUS. Moving from grand to small, it has a volume of only 33L. Also made from pure mesh, you don't have to worry about airflow possibility. Although with only one provided fan it might need a bit more help. But it does provide plenty of area for cooling even with the power supply mounted to the front. So we look at how well it does with it. Number 4. Corsair IC5000X RGB. Corsair's 5000 series still goes down as one of the best as far as PC cases go. While the iCUE 5000D airflow model offers better performance, for water cooling, it has to be the slightly more extravagant 5000X. The iCUE 5000X is marvelous and will make any system build look spectacular. Of course, there are many PC cases in this roundup that you could build an impressive loop inside. However, we had to shout out the 5000X. This case is premium, so as you would expect, we have a bunch of premium features to match. Aside from 4 sides of tempered glass, the interior is spacious, modular, and can support massive amounts of cooling options. When Corsair entered what they call the next generation of products, a lot of us at WePC took notice, with the reimagined aesthetic of everything from peripherals to components looking superb. Aside from that, it is actually Corsair's PC cases that have been making a lot of noise ever since the release of the 4000 series, with quality construction, great airflow, and unrivaled aesthetics. Today we are looking at a slightly bigger version of what is fast becoming an iconic set of PC cases, the Corsair iCUE 5000X and 5000D Airflow. As both the Corsair iCUE 5000X and 5000D Airflow are very similar, I'll be reviewing them together, sharing any differences, before finally concluding with which you should buy for your next PC build. Number 5. Corsair 4000D. When it comes to an affordable mid-tower case, the Corsair 4000D is a great choice to look at. With great build quality, the case is built to last and keep standing no matter your build. Especially with Corsair's ease of build, which means you'll have no issue with the 4000D. It also adds good airflow throughout. Changing up the front panel with a mesh does improve what cooling is available to the insides. As such, it stops the choking the other versions may offer. And with a clean aesthetic to it, there's a lot to look at, especially with the clean glass side panel to peer into the components. The backside is also spacious, with plenty of room for cables to fit in. And with great cable channels, cable management is easy and simple, giving you a clean overall build. When we think about PC gaming companies, few do it as well as Corsair. Corsair is a brand synonymous with PCs and is a go-to for everything from RAM to cases. Today we are going to be reviewing the highly regarded 4000 series PC cases. The 4000 series brings 3 new models into the Corsair family, the 4000D, 4000D Airflow, and the iCUE 4000X RGB. The 3 models are almost identical, with a few light differences mostly towards the front of the case, so we will largely be focusing on the Airflow and RGB additions. For anyone who is familiar with Corsair PC cases, when you first lay your eyes upon these, they appear to be an Obsidian successor, looking like a combination of the parts we loved from the Obsidian 450D and 500D to form a unique, aesthetically superior, and affordable new line of PC cases.